Hi boys and girls, today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. We're beginning a new month, the month of April. And for today's video, I'm not going to read you guys a story. I'm going to play a little game activity with you like we did last week. Last week we learned about the letters B as in balloons, C as in cat, and D as in dog. Today, our three letters that we're going to be learning are F as in fish, G as in goat, and H as in house. So now I'm going to show you guys some pictures that I drew, and you guys are going to help me put it under the letters that they begin with. So I have a picture here of a heart. I have a beautiful little flower. I have a bottle of glue. I have a hat. And I have grapes. And my last one is I have a fire. I'm going to pick a drawing and you guys are going to help me put it under the letter that it starts with. So let's do the first one. The first one is going to be heart. Heart. Does heart begin with the letter sound F, G, or H? Does it sound like f? Does it sound like g? Or does it sound like heart? I think it sounds like which means it's going to go under the letter H. I'm going to go ahead and put it under H. Next one, we're going to do flower. Flower. Does it start with F like fish, G like goat, or H like house and heart? Flower. I think it starts with the letter F like fish, so I'm going to go ahead and put it under the F. Our next one is going to be glue. Glue. Does it sound like fish and flower? Does it sound like goat? Or does it sound like house and heart? Glue. I think it sounds like goat, which means it's going to go under the letter G. I'm going to go ahead and put it under G. Next one I have is fire. Fire. Does fire start with the same sound as fish and flower? Or does it start with the same sound as goat and glue? Or does it start with the same sound as house and heart? Fire. I think it starts with the letter sound F as in fish and flower. So I'm going to go ahead and put fire under F. Our next one is hat. Hat. Does hat begin with the same sound as fish, flower, and fire? Does it begin with the same sound as goat and glue? Hat. Or does it begin with the same sound as house and heart? Hat. I think it begins with the same sound as heart and house, so I'm going to go ahead and put it under the letter H. And last but not least, we have grapes. Grapes. Does grapes start with the same sound as flower, fish, and fire? Does it start with the same sound as goat and glue? Or does it start with the same sound as house, heart, and hat? Grapes. I think it starts with the same sound as goat and glue, which means it should go under the letter G, and I'm going to go ahead and put it under G. Okay, boys and girls, here we have the letter F. Everyone say F. F makes a sound like fish, flower, fire. This is the letter G. G makes a sound like goat, glue, grapes. And here we have the letter H. H makes the sound like house, heart, and hat. So the letters that we learned today are F, G, H. Thank you guys for paying attention and helping me with this activity that we learned today with the letters F, G, and H. Now we know 6 letters. We know B, C, D, F, G, H. Make sure you guys practice your letter sounds. I will talk to you guys later. I miss you and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.